Hey, you can now take a screenshot on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max easier than ever. So today I'm gonna show you 3 smart ways to take a screenshot and how you can use it with Apple Intelligence. So the coolest feature I'm gonna show you first is called back tap. So now to enable it, open settings, then go to accessibility, then touch, and now scroll all the way down and you will find this back tap option. Just tap it and now you have to choose either double tap or triple tap. I prefer double tap. And from the list you will find this screenshot option. And now whenever you tap on the back of your iPhone 2 times like me, it will automatically take a screenshot. Pretty amazing, right? Now the another smart way to take a screenshot is by using Apple Intelligence and Siri. For that, you have to open up your settings, then Apple Intelligence and Siri, and here you have to make sure Apple Intelligence is enabled, and at the same time, talk and type to Siri and Hey Siri are all enabled. And now just go to the page you want to capture and call Hey Siri, take a screenshot. And see, it will do it automatically. And now finally, the most common way you can take a screenshot by pressing the volume up button and the power button together once. You will see it instantly capture the screen, and you can also take a full page screenshot by tapping the full page option, then scroll through the entire page as you like. If it's too long, you can save it as a PDF. And you will find it later in your Files app. After taking a screenshot, you can also customize or edit it. You can mark it up, crop it, or add notes using the built-in tools. With Apple Intelligence, you can even ask Chat GPT about the content in your screenshot. Like you can ask, what is it? And Chat GPT will show you the details. And you can also search for anything from the screenshot directly on Google. Once you are done editing, tap Done and choose Save to Photos. And all your screenshots will be available there. And that's how you can easily take screenshots on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max in 3 smart and amazing ways. Hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching.